Do you want to find car clips? This video is for you. So come on, let's start the video without any controversy. So guys, there is only two ways to get the cinematic car clips which I use in my videos. Step 1. I can say that YouTube, because there are plenty of clips and videos in the platform. So you can search it like cinematic car 4K. You will get like these clips. Before I go to last step, make sure you subscribe my channel and put a sweet comment on this video. And second step, more than the YouTube, that is Instagram. You can watch my page. There is plenty of clips of cars now. And I'll search it now with a particular name, like BMW. You will get more clips also with 4K resolution quality like this. Okay, these are the two ways to get the clips of cars and also more clips we'll get. And I'll promote that YouTube and Instagram also, but Instagram is the best way to find more clips and with a 4K resolution quality. And guys, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe my channel for the next video, and I'll catch you later guys. See you soon.